Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn about the quotient rule of differentiation. If there are two functions in the expression and there is a division sign between the two functions, then we will use quotient rule of differentiation to differentiate the expression. The quotient rule is d over dx, u over v. There are two functions, one is u, other one is v. U is in the numerator and v is in the denominator. We will write down square of v in the numerator. Now, there is a condition that in the numerator, we will write down v as it is. In the product rule, there was no condition. There were two functions in the product rule, u and v. We can write down any function as it is and multiply with the derivative of the other function. But in the quotient rule, there is a condition that we will write down v as it is, that is the function in the denominator, and then we will multiply the derivative of u with v. We will put here a negative sign. Then we will write down u as it is and multiply the derivative of the v. This one is the quotient rule. Now, I will elaborate this one with the help of examples. Now, the question is, if y is equal to 1 minus 2x power 5, 3x plus 4 power 7 divided by 3x plus 4 power 7. The requirement is to find dy over dx. Now, there are two functions, 1 minus 2x power 5 and the other one is 3x plus 4 power 7. We will let the function in the numerator as u. U is equal to 1 minus 2x power 5 and the function in the denominator as v is equal to 3x plus 4 power 7. Before applying the quotient rule, we will differentiate the two functions, which will make this question a bit simple. 1 minus 2x, we will write down the power as a coefficient, subtract 1 from the power and multiply with the derivative of the base. Always remember to write down the derivative of the base. This one is the more common mistake done by the students, because most of the students do not write down the derivative of the base. Now the final answer to this is minus 10, 1 minus 2x power 4. Now we will find out dv over dx is equal to 7, 3x plus 4, 6 into 3. The final answer is 21, 3x plus 4 power 6. Now we will apply the quotient rule. Dy over dx is equal to, we will write down v square in the denominator. V is 3x plus 4 power 7. Square of the function in the denominator. Now we will write down this v as it is. 3x plus 4 power 7 and multiply with the derivative of the other function. The other function is 1 minus 2x power 5. And the derivative of 1 minus 2x power 5 is minus 10, bracket open, 10 minus 2x power 4. Minus 10, 1 minus 2x power 4. We will put a minus sign which is in the formula. You can see that this one is a minus sign here. Now we will write down 1 minus 2x power 5 as it is and multiply with the derivative of the other. The derivative of the other function is 21, 3x plus 4 power 6. Now, the main task in these questions is to simplify the expression and get the answer which is at the back of the book. Because in the past paper, there will be a question, differentiate this one and show that the expression can be simplified to this form. Now, you can see that in the numerator, there are two functions. One is 3x plus 4 power 7 in the first term and 3x plus 4 power 6 in the second term. The smaller power is 6. We can take common power 6. Now, the other function is 1 minus 2x power 4 in the first term and 1 minus 2x power 5 in the second one. Now, you can see that 1 minus 2x power 4 is the smaller. So, we will take common 1 minus 2x. We will write down the smaller powers. 3x plus 4 power 6 and 1 minus 2x power 4. Now in the first term, we will shift 6 powers outside. We are left with 3x plus 4 power 1. We have shifted 4 powers of 1 minus 2x. So no power will left in the first expression in 2 minus 10. Minus, we have shifted 4 powers. So 1 minus 2x power 1 into 21. We have shifted 6 powers of 3x plus 4 outside as a common. In the denominator, we have 3x plus 4 power 14. Now, we can cancel out these 6 powers with these 14 power. And the final answer will be power 8. In the denominator, there is 3x plus 4 power 8. 1 minus 2x power 4 minus 30x minus 40 minus 21 plus 42x. 1 minus 2x power 4, 12x minus 61 over 3x plus 4 power 8 is the final answer. The main task in these questions is to simplify the answer. Now, I will elaborate this process with the help of another example. The quotient rule of differentiation is d over dx u over v is equal to v square. We will write down v as it is. There is a condition into du over dx minus u into dv over dx. Another example is, question is, differentiate under root 1 minus 2x over 3x plus 4 power 5 with respect to x. Y is equal to under root 1 minus 2x over 3x plus 4 power 5. Here we have u is equal to 1 minus 2x and v is equal to 3x plus 4 power 5. Du over dx is equal to 1 over 2, 1 minus 2x power minus 1 by 2 into minus 2 is equal to minus 1 over under root 1 minus 2x. dv over dx is equal to 5 3x plus 4 into 3. The simplified answer is 15 3x plus 4 power 4. Now, dy over dx is equal to we will write down v square in the denominator. We will write down v as it is multiplied by derivative of the other function. The derivative of the other function is 1 over under root 1 minus 2x. We will put a negative sign which is in the formula. Then we will write down under root 1 minus 2x as it is into derivative of the other function which is 15 3x plus 4 power 4. Now we have 3x plus 4 in both the terms in the numerator with smaller power 3x plus 4. We will take common 3x plus 4 from the numerator. 3x plus 4 power 4 minus, there will be only one power in the first term of 3x plus 4. And the simplified expression is minus 3x plus 4 divided by under root 1 minus 2x. Now, minus 15 under root 1 minus 2x. In the numerator, there is 3x plus 4 power 10. We will cancel out the power 3x plus power 4 with power 10 in the denominator, and in the denominator there will be only power 6. 3x plus 4 power 6. Now we will take LCM in the numerator, and the LCM is under root 1 minus 2x. In the second term, the denominator is 1 minus 3x plus 4 minus 15 into under root 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 2x. This will become 1 minus 2x with power 1. When we will multiply this 1 minus 2x with under root 1 minus 2x with under root 1 minus 2x, bases are same. We will add the powers 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2. The final power is 1. Now, a very important point you should remember is the equal sign is with this fraction. It should remain. We will write down the equal sign with this fraction only. Now you can see that there are two fractions. One is this one and the other one is this one. But your equal sign was with this fraction. We will write down equal sign with this fraction. If we will write down this equal sign with this one is a logical error and we cannot get the required answer. Now, this one is minus 3x minus 4 minus 15 plus 30x over under root 1 minus 2x. We will write down division sign at the place of main fraction divided by 3x plus 4 power 6. Now, this one will become 27x minus 19 over under root 1 minus 2x into 1 over 3x plus 4 power 6. This one is the final answer, and we can also write this one like this. This one is all about the quotient rule. The main task in these questions is to write down the answer in the shape which is required, in the required shape. That is to simplify, to take common. Now you can attempt exercise 15.3, 15.4 from Additional Mathematics O levels by Ho Soo Thong. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.